Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. I hope you all are safe and doing well. March has gone, it's been now 1 year we are living with this pandemic. This pandemic has brought so many changes in our life. But life must go on, show must go on, right? Let's pray together to fight back to this pandemic. Anyway, let's begin with today's video. Kids have holidays, so we are just roaming here and there whenever possible. So decided to visit park, but kids wanted to visit new park. So just randomly we googled and selected one park. So let's see how it is. We thought to carry cycles, but we are not sure whether it's allowed there or not because as per Google it is very small park. So let's see. First we are going to pick Arith from tabla class and then we'll go to park. Arith will be surprised because he don't know we have planned for the park. It's been 10 years in Qatar. This country always gave happiness, hope. As FIFA World Cup is approaching, country is growing rapidly and we always have something to explore or visit. Here we reached the park. This park is in West Bay area. Park name is Legatifia Park. It's very small, so I'm very doubtful whether they allow for cycling or not. But let's see. And yes, that security is not allowing because the park is very small, so cycling is not allowed. They just told you can walk or jog or play something. So kids were little upset, but it's fine what we can do. Park is good enough for walking and jogging. This park also have football practice court. It is medium size but is fine. We can book and play there or practice there, but because of this pandemic regulations it is closed for temporary. It is not at all crowded and very calm. Cycling was not allowed, so kids were feeling bored, so decided to play frisbee with them. After about 30 to 40 minutes we took a break and then we were telling kids to go now, but as usual they want more to play, so me and husband took some break and kids were still enjoying frisbee. climate is good, so tempted to take one more round of walk. Finally we are done and now going to have dinner. So we plan to go Duhel Night Market. It is located in parking of Duhel Sports Club. It is open till late night and I think that's why it is called as night market. So let's see. So here we reached night market. It is quite colorful and is sort of fairy tale themed. Hanging lights are really pretty. At present this is smaller version. In winter they usually have more shops and cafes like that. They call it winter edition, where you will find more stuff like for sale, perfumes, watches like that. Right now cafes are there, many varieties are there, like you can choose many options like pizza, pasta, burger, cakes and all. So many options are there. We selected to have Italian food, so ordered some pizza, pasta and like that. And yeah, that's it. That's how we spent today's evening, you can say. And right now we are wrapping up, going back to home. It was lovely evening and we enjoyed a lot. I hope you people also enjoyed this, and if you really like these type of videos and all, please let me know, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook or any other social media. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. So stay tuned for more videos, and also follow me on my Instagram page, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.